Welcome all the students. Uh, this video is on motion transfer in plane power loom. And first of all, the students must have curious to know how the motion is transferred from a single motor to all the arrangements, all the motions that run in a loom, that is setting, picking, beating with a proper synchronization. Synchronization here means when the shed is completely open, the picking is done, and then after insertion of peak, beating is completed. So, uh, in this video, the main content is how the motion is transferred from first the flow chart of the motion transfer, second motor pulley and loom pulley arrangement, third crankshaft and bottom shaft gear wheel arrangement, crank and connecting arm arrangement, shading tappet and picking tappet, how fixed in the bottom shaft, and finally conclusions. So first you see the flow chart of motion transfer. First, when motor start, the motor pulley is rotated, and then it transfer the motion to loom pulley by a belt. Then from loom pulley, the crankshaft is rotated, and from crankshaft gear wheel, from crankshaft gear wheel to bottom shaft gear wheel, and then to bottom shaft. And when bottom shaft is rotated, the shading tappet and picking tappets are rotated. So from shading tappet, treadle is moved, so shade is formed, and from picking tappet, picking is carried out. Then next, in this image, you can see the motor pulley and loom pulley arrangement. The motor with a motor pulley. When motor start, the pulley is rotated, and through the belt, the loom pulley is attached. So when motor pulley rotates, the pulley is also rotates, and loom pulley is fixed in the crankshaft. So crankshaft is also rotated. Second, in this image, you can see the when crankshaft is rotated, the crankshaft gear wheel is also rotated. So crankshaft, when the crankshaft gear wheel is rotated, the bottom shaft gear wheel is also rotated because both the gears are attached, and in both the gears, the ratio of the number of teeth of the crankshaft gear wheel to that of bottom shaft gear wheel is 1 is to 2. That means if the crankshaft gear wheel have 48 teeth, then bottom shaft gear wheel is 96 teeth. In shading tappet, how the shading tappet is fixed in the bottom shaft. You can see shading tappet is a irregular piece of irregular metallic piece that is fixed in the bottom shaft. So when the bottom shaft rotates, the metallic piece, or the we can say the tappet is also rotate, and at the bottom of just below the shading tappet, treadle balls are fixed in the treadle lever. So when the shading tappets bottom shaft rotate, the shading tappet is also rotate. So as it is a irregular shape, when it depress the treadle ball, as a result treadle lever is moved downward, so the shade is formed. Next, in crank and connecting arm arrangement, in crankshaft, the bending portion is called as crank. You can see in image the position of crank and crank arm or connecting arm, and they are the bottom shaft. So when crankshaft is rotated, the position of crank rotate in a rotation in a circle, or we can say the crank is convert the rotary motion to linear motion, linear to and fro motion of the sleigh. So when crankshaft rotate, the connecting arm moves to and fro. So the sleigh moves forward and backward for each rotation of a crank or crankshaft. So as crankshaft rotates, its rotary motion is converted into a to and fro motion of the connecting arm. So the sleigh moves forward and backward. And in conclusion, we learn from this video, that is the ratio between number of teeth of the crankshaft gear wheel and bottom shaft gear wheel is 1:2. So the bottom shaft make one revolution, the crankshaft makes two revolution. And when the crankshaft makes one revolution, one peak is inserted. Means if the speed of the crankshaft is 150 revolution per minute, that is rpm, then the speed of the loom is 150 peaks per minute, that is peaks ppm. And last, the crankshaft speed is also indicates the loom speed. That means when the loom speed is expressed, that is loom speed, in other words, that is the speed of crankshaft or the revolution, number of revolution per minute of the crankshaft, because for each peak there is one peak is inserted. Yeah, when crankshaft makes one revolution, one peak is inserted. So the crankshaft speed also indicates the loom speed. Okay, thanks.